Hi my friends, last night the customer called me that the temperature is around -8. So I came here and I checked that the compressor cut off at the 0 bar pressure. So I went to the freeze room. It took me almost 6 hours to figure out what is the problem. It was actually the sensors problem. They had they put the defrost sensor to room sensor and the room sensor for defrost sensor. So the temperature was -8 when I came here. I tried to change the parameter, but it didn't help. So at the end I found out that they had put this room sensor to defrost, and defrost sensor here instead of room sensor. So the compressor, the temperature in the evaporator was around -27, 28, and the compressor thought it's enough, it's cold, so we should cut off the compressor. And then finally when I changed this sensor, it started working. But I changed the settings to company settings. So I left here last night, and the customer called me and told me that the temperature is -15. So when I came here, I saw that there's ice, a little bit of ice in evaporator. So I changed some parameter here in the control. I can show you. As you see here, so the defrost, we had the duration is 8 hours. It's okay. It was 4 grades, so I changed it to 10 degree, and it was 30 minutes, and I changed it to 45 minutes, so it can defrost much more better. So I started again. So now I'm gonna wait to see if the temperature goes back again to -21. I will see. I'm still today on call, so we will see if it get better. Thank you.